So in today's video, we are going to compare every possible ways which you can actually create an account with either a US account or a pound account or a euros account. So I'm going to show you every possible means you can actually get that, especially if you stay in a country like Nigeria or any country that you'll be looking for a way to get all this account online so that you can actually use for your business or whatever. Even if you're a freelancer or whatever thing you're doing online, you actually need an account to collect payment, right? So we're actually going to consider all the possible ways to get a US account and other types of accounts. Now what I have here is Wise. I actually highly recommend Wise because it's pretty much very simple to set up, right? So all you just need to do is to go to the website wise.com, and then you can actually go ahead to start setting up the platform. So if you go to the website and go to sign up, it's going to show you everything that you need for you to sign up and have your account. So I already have an account, so I'm not going to be signing up, of course, but as you can see, it's very much simple. If you have a business registered like an LLC or a limited company, then you can actually register as a business. Even if you stay in Nigeria, you're going to get all the benefits that you're supposed to get as somebody who is actually staying in the US or every other country. So wise.com, a very good Wise platform, so go ahead and check it out, sign up, and start using it. So another great platform I have for you guys is called Raenest. Okay, this is actually GBP, but they actually rebranded or changed their name to this Raenest. Okay, so you can actually check it out. I don't know if I pronounce it right, but this is actually what the spelling is, and as you can see, it's pretty much simple. Raenest. So you can actually create a personal or actually create a business account. Now whichever one you decide to create, you're going to be getting a euros account, pounds account, US account, Nigerian account, okay, and so much more. So these accounts are very, very good that you can actually use to accept payment or use it to take payment or even make payment with the card or collect payment with their invoicing and with a lot of stuff. Okay, so if you have a business registered, let's say in Nigeria or in the US, then you can actually set up a business account and you can have this account set up in your business name rather than your personal name. And if you don't have a business, you can also use a personal account to accept payment and the like. So make sure you check out this platform. Actually a very fantastic platform that you can also use, a very, very good choice. So another one I have for you guys here is grail.co. Guys, this is actually a very lovely platform because with Grail you can actually get a euros account, US account, pounds account, Nigerian account, and as you can see here, it says no limit, no borders. All you just need is this account to actually go global. So they are going to give you a US account, pounds account, euros account, and a Nigerian account, and you can actually receive payments with this account. They're going to give you bank accounts in all of these countries that I mentioned above, and then you can actually receive payment with those countries. You can actually also make payment with your card. You can actually create a card and you can actually accept payment with their invoicing method. So make sure you also check out this account, grail.co. I have this account. All of the account I'm showing you guys, I have it and I use it, and it's also something you can actually get, okay, because you don't know tomorrow what platform might decide to change their policy that will affect you, and from there you already lose the access to that account. So what will you do? You go ahead, switch over to the next account, especially if you already have the account set up already. But trust me, once there's a policy change or anything, I try my best to bring it to the channel so that we can actually learn together. So grail.co, very good platform. Sign up for free now and start enjoying all the benefits that you need to enjoy. So another fantastic one, this is for only business accounts, is graph.finance. Okay, so this is actually meant for people that already have registered business either in Nigeria or in the US or in the UK. Okay, so with this account you are going to be getting a business account with USD, pounds, euros, and your naira and your Nigerian account. So you're going to be in your business name. And one thing I love about this platform is they actually target businesses. So therefore they're going to give you business specified products that is going to help your business. Okay, so they are going to give you services that is very, very unique to your business. Okay, so I actually own this platform account. I I don't own the platform, sorry, I mean I have an account with the platform, and they have given me all of these things that which have actually supported my business. So you're going to get a multi-currency account and every other features that you need for your business to succeed in terms of payments. This platform, Graph.finance, will give you the access to everything. Now, if you want me to talk about each platform specifically, maybe you want me to show you how to sign up, how to differentiate the differences with all of this platform, or you want me to talk about them extensively, then tell me in the comments. I'm going to talk about them if you are interested. But in this platform, or in this video particularly, I just want to introduce them to you so that you can actually be aware that you can actually have accounts with all of this platform without even worrying about a lot of things, so that you can actually concentrate on your business. So Graph.finance, very lovable platform, check it out. So another fantastic one I have with you guys is Leatherback, leatherback.co. Guys, with this one, you can make money moves anyhow you want it. Okay, so Leatherback will actually give you either a personal account or a business account. So you can actually get a Leatherback, you can actually get a personal account or a business account with Leatherback. Okay, so that means it's both for personal use and for business use. You can give you account in euros, naira, pounds, USD, and the like. So it's a multi-currency account, and this multi-currency account functions so well. So guys, you can actually check out this Leatherback. I actually started using this Leatherback, and it's been amazing. Okay, amazing platform. Okay, so you can actually check it out if you are interested to use it. Don't worry, like I said, I'm going to be talking about this platform one by one very soon, so you don't have a lot of stuff to worry about. I'm going to be explaining everything about it, but I just wanted to bring it to your notice today so that you know that yes, this platform actually exists, and you can actually make you can actually use them to receive payment for your business or for your personal use. Leatherback, very important. So another one that I failed to add to this one is your Payoneer. Guys, Payoneer is a very lovely platform, and one thing I love about Payoneer is that with Payoneer you can actually receive payments worldwide. Like, you can actually receive payment, and they're going to give you multi-currency account. Okay, they're going to give you USD, euros, pounds, Canadian dollar, Australian. They are going to give you a lot of currencies if you're interested in creating them. Payoneer is actually a very lovely platform, and you can actually use it to get started. Although the barrier to entry now is a little bit difficult, but when I started online to create a Payoneer account, you don't even need to have $50 for them to give you. Just create it and they give you an account. But I think these days you need to create your account and then find a way to have $50 in the account before you get a USD account. But that is actually very easy to set up, which I've talked about in the past, how you can actually go ahead to settle all those parts and you have your account set up. So if you're able to do that, you're going to get your Payoneer account working. And me personally, I've been using Payoneer for over more than 5 years now, and I've not experienced any issue. I don't even know how, like, I've not contacted the customer care for anything. So that's how easy and simple the platform has been. So it's been very easy to set up and use. So you can actually check out the platform Payoneer, and you can actually create a business account or a personal account, whichever one works for you. So it's actually a very fantastic way to set up all of these things. Okay, and then the last but not the least, PayPal. Okay, PayPal is actually very big. A lot of people already know the platform, and it's simple to set up, but there can be issues related to PayPal because of the nature of how PayPal works. But once you're able to maneuver all of those hurdles, trust me, you're going to enjoy the platform. But a lot of using PayPal will come with a lot of experiences, right? But don't worry, that's one thing we are here for, because we have actually I've had over more than 30 PayPal accounts, and I know exactly what I'm talking about. So don't worry. I've dropped a lot of videos on the channel talking about PayPal this, PayPal that, PayPal this, PayPal that, and I'll still make a lot of more videos. So all of these things is going to put us in check and make sure that, of course, the account we create, we are able to use it for a long time, and so on. So guys, I think very soon I'm going to be making a video on how to create a PayPal account. So if you are interested in that kind of video, make sure you're logged in and you subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss those videos. So these are the various ways, or some of the various ways. I know there are some I omitted, but these are the most influential ones that I currently use. So go ahead, set up accounts on all of these platforms, guys. All of them, go set up accounts. Okay, it's very important, because at the end of the day, you're going to use them. Even if it's not today, tomorrow you're going to use them. If policies change in this one, you use the next one. That's exactly how these things work. Cool. Check it out, sign up and use. Most of them, in fact all of them, is free to sign up, so you don't need to pay a dime for you to sign up. Sign up, register, do your documentations, KYCs and everything, and have your account set up. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.